Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a quick video on revision exams and study hours batches to be started in November 2020 for the students of IPCC, CA Inter as well as CA final levels. Everybody knows that Masterminds is a popular and household name for revision exams and study hours. Whenever a person refers about revision exams and study hours, most probably he must be referring Masterminds only. So we got vast experience in conducting revision exams and study hours in a specialized manner. Objective of this video to give basic details of revision exams and study hours batches to be started in November 2020 for the purpose of following students. First one is IPCC or CA inter students who are planning to write public exams in May 2021. Second one is CA final old and new syllabus students. So we have schedules for CA final old syllabus students as well as new syllabus students who are planning to write public exams in May 2021. IPCC or CA inter level, separate schedules will be there for the students of IPCC and CA inter. Of course, right now with the available information, we can conclude that November 2020 is the last attempt for IPCC. What if CA Institute extends IPCC for one more attempt? That's why IPCC schedules will be prepared if ICA decides to give one more attempt to IPCC students. Otherwise, we will be confined to CA inter. Separate schedules for the students of both groups, group 1 and group 2. So in each schedule, there will be 2 exams a week. One exam on Sunday, another exam on Wednesday. Same is the scenario with respect to both group students, group 1 students as well as group 2 students. So both group schedule will run up to April 2021 and single group schedules will run up to January 31st, 2021. Students can choose to appear for both groups or single group schedule as per their choice. Study hours will start physically from November 25th, 2022. Yes, what you heard is right. Study hours will start physically. Physically, we will be conducting the study hours from November 25th, 2020 at the rate of 4:45 p.m. and first revision exam will be conducted on December 2nd, 2020. CA final. So let us give brief details about CA final revision exams and study hours batches. So there will be separate schedules for the students of old syllabus and new syllabus. There will be one single schedule for both group students. That means one schedule for old syllabus students, one schedule for new syllabus students. For the students of that schedule, we will conduct 2 revision exams a week. One exam on Wednesday, another exam on Sunday. So one exam on one day we will be conducting exam on group 1 and on another day we will be conducting exam on group 2. That means in a week we will be conducting 2 exams. Out of that, one exam will be on group 1, another exam will be from group 2. Single group students shall also follow the same schedule. That means there will not be separate schedules for single group students. Whatever the both group schedule is there, it has to be followed by the students of single group also. So in other words, there will be one exam a week for the students of single group students. So for single group students, there will be only one exam a week. For both group students, there will be 2 exams a week. For the students of both are single group schedules, exams will be continued till April 2020. This is one area where the approach is different with respect to IPCC or CA inter students and that of CA final students. In case of IPCC CA inter students, single group students will end by January 31st and both group schedules will end by April 2021. Whereas at CA final level, both group schedules as well as single group schedules will continue till April 2021. Study hours will start from November 25th, 2020. That is physically. Physically, we will be commencing study hours from November 25th, 2020 at the rate of 4:45 p.m. and first revision exam will be conducted on December 2nd, 2020. Side transfers will also be provided immediately after completion of exam. Either it is IPCC or CA inter level or CA final level. Our policy is very clear. Immediately after completion of exam, side transfers will be provided to the students. All the exam papers will be evaluated by our evaluationists physically and will be written back to the students. All arrangements will be made for doubts clarification. Our supporting faculty will counsel the failed students after completion of valuation. This facility will be available. This facility means revision exams and study hours. will be available in Guntur and all our branches, that is Hyderabad. So Amirpet and Dilchuk Nagar branches of Hyderabad, Vizag, Vijayawada, Labipet, Tirupati, Rajahmundry, Kurnool as well as Nellore. Details of Masterminds test series. So actually the old name for the name test series is postal mode. So Masterminds test series, it's very simple to explain. Revision exams and study hours minus study hours is test series. So exactly same revision exam schedule will be followed. The only difference is we don't conduct study hours. So some students may not be willing to attend the revision exams and study hours physically. So Masterminds test series is meant for such kind of students. Under this service, students can appear for revision exams right from their home. That is the concept of Masterminds test series. Old name for this service is postal mode. Some students may not be willing to attend study hours and revision exams physically. So this Masterminds test series service is meant for such kind of students. Under this service, we will just conduct revision exams alone and students can attend those revision exams right from their home. In other words, we will not conduct any study hours to these students and students need not even physically come to our campus for writing the exams. Under this service, question papers will be sent to students electronically. After completion of exams, students need to scan their answer sheets and shall send them to us electronically. Unlike other test series being run by various organizations, we have observed various test series. They are conducting the exam, but they are not evaluating the papers. But our system is not like that. We will evaluate those exam papers and will send back valuation report to the students electronically. Searched answers will also be provided immediately after completion of exam. So either in case of revision exams and study hours or in case of test series, we will provide searched answers immediately after completion of exam. Doubts clarification sessions through Zoom platform. Revision exams and study hours minus study hours is equal to MMTS. So everything is just like revision exams and study hours. The only thing lacking in MMTS will be study hours. So as per Unlockdown 5.0 guidelines, government has permitted opening of colleges for students of above 9th class for the purpose of doubts clarification and study hours. CA inter and final level students, because we are going to come in study hours for the students of CA inter and final level. So CA inter and final level students means almost like degree studying students. So there will not be any objections in running the study hours in future, because we cannot predict what will happen in future. In future, if government imposes any fresh restrictions on conducting study hours, then we will temporarily stop conducting study hours physically, but we will continue revision exams just like MMTS students. Once government lifts such restrictions, then we will continue study hours as usually. Since future is very uncertain, we have taken this decision. We will follow social distancing norms with respect to seating plan of students in study hours. Generally, in study hours, we have to place the students with lot of distance. We cannot make the students to sit just like classes. That's why social distancing norms will obviously be maintained in case of study hours. We will take all safety precautions, all standard operating procedures for conducting study hours physically. Students need not worry about all such precautions. We will provide congenial and hygienic environment for students to study well. In November 2020, we are starting new coaching batches for CA Inter and CA Final. In case of those batches, we will initially start classes using Zoom platform or Masterminds online classes. That means we are not starting any physical classes for those batches. Then some students may get it out. Then why you are conducting study hours physically for the batches to be started in November 2020? With respect to classes, we have an alternative. We have an option. We can comfortably conduct classes through Zoom platform. But with respect to study hours, we don't have such option. So because everybody knows how qualitatively study hours will occur if students start preparing from home. That's why students expect us to conduct the study hours physically. Frankly speaking, it is at the request of several students we have decided to conduct the study hours physically. For conducting study hours, we can follow all social distancing norms which may not be possible for conducting classes. That's why we have decided to conduct the study hours physically but not the classes. Everybody knows Masterminds is well-known name for revision exams and study hours. So we have great expertise in conducting revision exams and study hours. So question paper preparation by a team of 15 members. The question papers of study hours will be prepared by a team of 15 members So consisting of qualified chartered accountants and qualified cost accountants and other supporting faculty. Frankly speaking, we have two separate teams, 15 members team for CA inter and IPCC level, another 15 members team for CA final level. So totally a team of 30 members are working on preparing question papers and suggested answers. At each level, we prepare question papers in such a way that they are verified at 3 levels so that question papers and suggested answers are error free. So detailed suggested answers will be provided immediately after completion of exam at all the levels. We will frame the questions on our own and we will not copy paste the same from any source. We have observed the test series being conducted by various organizations. They are simply copy pasting the question from some other source. But we are not going to do the same. At IPC and CA inter level, question papers and suggested answers are directly prepared by faculty who teach the respective subjects. But whereas at final level, we have a dedicated team who will prepare the question papers and suggested answers. Triple level verification of valued exam papers so as to ensure quality valuation. Trained team of 200 plus valuationists. So trained supporting faculty, all our supporting faculty are well trained. Exclusive exams on MCQs. Supporting faculty will be provided for doubts clarification. Counseling will be done of failed students which will help them to improve their performance in future exams. We will give performance report for every 10 days so that students can assess their performance on their own. Customized software. We have developed our own software to track the performance of the students. Marks SMS to students and parents' mobile number after valuation of each exam. So AC classrooms will be provided at Guntur, Vijayawada and Vizag branches of Masterminds. The two for final level students only, but not at IPC and CA inter level. So what is the guarantee, what is the evidence of the quality of service being provided at revision exams and study hours? Our results will speak loud and clear. All our results indicate the quality of services being rendered by us. So 18 years of experience in CA CMA courses and 19th year is running. That itself shows the quality of service that we are rendering, because if we don't deliver quality services, we cannot sustain for this many number of years in the market. Secured 88 All India ranks at IPC or CA inter level in the last 7 years. That is 14 attempts. So on an average, we are getting around 12 ranks per annum or 6 ranks per attempt. No other institution in AP and Telangana is even nearer to these results. Secured 41 ranks at IPC or CA inter level in the last 3.5 years, that is 7 attempts. So on an average, we are getting around 12 ranks per annum or 6 ranks per attempt. No other institution in AP and Telangana is nearer to these results. Achieved All India 4th, 5th and 6th ranks in IPCC or CA inter level, that is single digit ranks. In each attempt, nearly 2,000 students of IPC or CA inter are getting qualified after appearing for our revision exams, and we have a policy that after completion of exams and after announcement of results, we will list out the names of all the students who have qualified in that attempt along with their hall ticket numbers, and we will upload that list in the Facebook for transparency. That is the importance we give to transparency. In each attempt, nearly 1,000 students of CA final are getting qualified after appearing for our revision exams. Similarly, we will do similar task at CA final level also. After announcement of results, we will be disclosing the names and hall ticket numbers of all the students who have qualified. For us, transparency is very important. 2,000 CA final admissions in November 2019 session itself, Guntur as well as branches together. We can proudly say that all the above students have attended our service of revision exams and study hours. Our old student Guram Praneeth has achieved All India first rank in CA final results of November 2019 attempt. Thanks to our Chief Minister sir to felicitate him. And even our admin advisor Mr. Mohan sir has also honored him. So 3 All India first ranks in CA CMA courses in the year 2020 alone. Achieved 180 All India ranks in CA CMA courses in the last 3 attempts. Achieved more than 866 ranks in all levels of CA CMA courses till now, and this does not include our MEC ranks. Achieved 6 single digit ranks in CA CMA results of 2018 and 19 alone. And our students have bagged first rank for 44 times in various courses for which we offer coaching. So all these results show the quality of education being delivered by us. Compared to our earlier batch, we have drastically reduced the fees. So in this pandemic situation, we just want to help all our students. That's why we have reduced the fees. From May 2020, we came into the ambit of GST. From the fee that you pay to us, we need to pay 18% towards GST. In all institutions running in metros, you can observe that they will charge GST in addition to the fee to be paid by you. But in our institution, we are not charging any additional amount towards GST, even though we need to pay the same. We are paying the GST from the amount being collected from you. That means we are bearing the GST out of our pocket. We have taken this decision to support the students as majority of them are suffering with financial challenges in this pandemic situation. Our own hostel facility is not available, but students can stay in nearby private hostels which have already been opened. Hi students, after preparing this video, we have changed our decision and we have decided to provide hostel students for both boys as well as girls. For all revision batch students of IPCC, CA Inter as well as CA Final, which are going to commence from November 2020, we will allot hostels also. We will open hostels also for both boys as well as girls. So for all, this is going to apply for all revision exams and study hours batch students of IPCC, CA Inter as well as CA Final. And we will provide hostel facility for both boys as well as girls. This hostel facility will be provided in Guntur only, but not in any of the branches. This hostel facility will be provided in Guntur only. All the students are requested to make themselves update about this change. Thank you. For more details, students need to contact the following mobile numbers: Guntur 9885125025 or 26, Vijayawada 897818082, Kurnool 897818087, Tirupati 897818083, Nellore 87906 Vizag 800855707, Rajahmundry 80085779921, Hyderabad Amirpet and Nizampet 9248733361, Hyderabad Dilshuk Nagar 9248733362. Here are the contact numbers which students need to contact. All the best, my dear students. I expect all the students to take the best possible utilization of this service. Thank you.